Yeah, good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever part of the world you're watching this video from. So, I will really want to show you guys some things online, things you need to know. Like, in case you don't know how much is the dollar rate, you can see that the dollar is actually increasing. The dollar is actually increasing. So, the reason why I'm making this video is to show you guys on how you can actually earn in dollar. Show you how you can actually earn in dollar with your smartphone and a very good internet. Then you are ready to start earning in dollar. So this video is all about earning money in dollar. We'll be showing you how the things you need to do in order for you to start earning in dollar. You know, there are some brands out there that are willing to pay people who will bring in people that will subscribe to their websites, people that will do sign up, and you get paid in dollar. As simple as that. Like, you don't need to purchase anything online, you don't need to buy anything online. It's just for you. If you can actually chat with people, then you can actually make money. You just need to be chatting with people. Once you chat with people, and you get paid in dollar. So what I'm going to be introducing to you is a company called Impact will pay you for sign up. They'll pay you for getting leads. Those leads are not going to purchase anything from them. Just sign up and you get paid. Some brands are going to pay you from $10, some are going to pay you from $5 per each person that you refer to sign up. So that is exactly what this course is all about. So not only sign up, I'm going to show you how you will be able to create an impact account that will be verified. You know, nowadays people are rushing into this PPL stuff, and there are some techniques that you need to undergo. For you to get your account approved, and there are some things you need to understand about this impact. I'm going to guide you on how you're going to sign up. I'm going to show you how you're going to create a media property. Media property has to do with getting a website or a Facebook page, linking it to your impact, you know. And there are some things that impact will have to look into your brand, into your company, your media property, before they can say, okay, let me just approve you so you can start promoting with us. So not only that, this very course, I'm going to show you how you will create a dollar account. You know, back in those days, that used to tell us that if you don't have up to $100, you won't be able to have a dollar. If you don't go to bank, you don't buy dollar from a book and take it to bank for exchange, you won't be able to. You know, I can tell you that you don't need a single dollar in order for you to open a dollar account. So this course is 100% package, and I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to show you how you create a Facebook page you use to interact with all those US clients to convince them to sign up. Once they sign up, and you get paid in dollar. You know, this course is all about pay per lead. You know, you get paid by each lead you bring to the company. That is exactly what this course is all about. So without wasting much of your time, let me just go on to show you guys one or two things, things to motivate you guys. And you can see this is Impact, and this is the way the company looks like. This is the company. You get to promote things, you get to get leads for companies. People sign up and complete the sign up process, and you get paid depending on the company. So this is my second account, and you can see here $7 pending, $3 paid here. My first account was just like I was being paid. My first account just day before yesterday, but there was an issue with the first account. You know, I got the complaint from Impact that my account was being restricted due to invalid traffic. That is one thing that this course is all about. Like, I'm going to show you guys how you avoid all these mistakes. You know, I've been able to figure out all those minor mistakes that can get your account limited, and once your account is limited and you haven't earned, your money is not in balance, Impact is not going to pay. So the luck I have was that I already had money in my balance up to like $50, and when I got the message, they have to pay me. They pay me my $50. You should know how much is $50. The dollar now should be 1,800 per dollar. So if you multiply it by 50, you should know how much is it there. So that is what this course is all about. So I will be showing you how to go about this, on how to open a brand, how to create a website, a very simple website that you don't need to pay anybody for it. You're not paying anybody to create a website. I'm going to make a video to show you how you can create a website. You don't need hosting. I'm going to show you all the media properties that you're going to add to your account, how to get your account verified as soon as possible. So this is one of my accounts. I have a dollar account with Impact, I have euro account with Impact, and I have another account with Impact. So let me go through the account that was being limited, and I'm going to show you one or two things. I'm going to show you one or two things here. This is it. This is the account. This was the message they sent me before I got paid. You see the fund for blah 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 most recent payment of $50.37 has been transferred and should arrive safely. So the promotion here is very simple. It's a very simple process that once you are being mentored, you get my course and you followed all my procedures here, I'll show you you're going to make much money from here. You're going to make much money. So you getting this very course is a step by step, because I'm going to mentor you. I'll be there to outline some errors in case you encounter some errors. I'll be there to fix up those errors for you. I'll be there to answer all your questions that you'll be asking, like in case you don't really understand how to go about it. And I will also show you my traffic method and how you can get traffic, get people to sign up, and you can earn as much as $100 to $300. So this is my payment. The message they sent to me that was yesterday, and I was being paid today. Let me just show you guys. Just go to my dollar. I did pay. You can see this is the money that just came in today. You can see, and today's date is 22nd February 2024, and 8:02, that was when they sent the money. You can see here this is $50.37. So the company which I have a dollar account with them took a $2 fee for their services. Okay, they took a $2 fee for their services. So if I should convert it, let me go to my dollar account. You can see that is why it's showing 48.87. So if I should convert it to Naira, let's see how much this $48.87 is going to give us. $48.87 is going to give us 83,812 Naira. So guys, this is it. This is the main time for everyone to be earning in dollar. So what I would really advise you guys is just get into this course. It's just 25,000 Naira. I bet you this 25,000 Naira is going to make you millions. It's going to make you millions. Let me just show you guys a message from one of my colleagues, and he was being paid $311. This is his commission payment process. $311. That is a very huge amount of money. So if we should go in to make some calculations, and let's see how much this $311 is going to give us. Let me go to my calculator here. Let's say $1 now is 1,800 times 311. Oh, this is 559,800 Naira. This is what someone just made in a month. This is 5 people's salary. How will I even some government workers that work to all these work like all these bankers cannot earn even 10% of this money here. So guys, as I'm telling you, this affiliate marketing is real. Nobody is buying anything from you. You are not selling anything. Not like other companies that you have to refer people to buy. People have to buy a product before you get paid. This one, no one is going to buy any product here. Just sign up. Once they sign up, and you get paid. So that is how this affiliate marketing system works, and it's very easy. So guys, if you want to join my course, you want to join my VIP class, I'm going to show you how to go about this. I'm going to show you how to create your dollar account, even if you don't have a domiciliary account. You can also do it right from your phone. You don't need to go to bank to open a dollar account. Even if you don't have $1 with you, you'll be able to open this account. So this course is full with goodies. It's filled up with goodies. So you'll be able to learn so many things here. So it's really worth it. Just 25,000 Naira. You join my VIP group, pay 25,000 Naira. I'm going to mentor you. I'm going to show you how to apply. Remember, once you apply as a Nigerian, your account, they will not accept it, because there is a technique which we normally use to apply, and within 24 hours your account will be approved. So you start promoting brands. So guys, that is it for the day. So if you don't want to miss this opportunity, you really want to be earning in dollar, this is the right time for you, because after today you're not going to see this cost at this rate. I'm going to increase it to $50. Thank God dollar is rising. The more dollar is rising, the more I'll be increasing it. So if you like, get the course. If you like, don't get the course. All depends on you. Depends if you want to change your present situation, or you want to remain in the standard situation you find yourself. So thank you. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe my channel, you comment and share this post to your friends, and be the first person to subscribe, so that whenever I drop a video on something of this type, you'll be the first to see it and implement this step. I really appreciate you guys so much. Thanks.